Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy lemon sorbet. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which usually comes from 4 to 6 medium lemons. We'll also use 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar and 2 cups of water. Make sure you have an ice cream maker ready for churning later. This refreshing dessert is surprisingly simple to prepare. Next, we'll create a simple syrup, which is the base for our sorbet. In a medium saucepan, combine the 2 cups of water and 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once dissolved, remove the syrup from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This step is crucial for a smooth sorbet. Now it's time to combine our key flavors. Once your simple syrup has cooled completely, pour in the 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Stir the mixture well to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. You can taste it at this point and add a little more sugar or lemon if you prefer. Then, cover the mixture and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or until it is very cold. This chilling step is essential for proper churning. Finally, we get to the fun part. Churning. Pour the thoroughly chilled lemon sorbet base into your ice cream maker. Follow your machine's specific instructions for churning, which usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes. The sorbet will have a soft serve consistency when it's done. You can enjoy it immediately for a softer texture, or transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for another 2 to 3 hours for a firmer, scoopable sorbet. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.